When creating a new design in Affinity, sometimes the numbers just don't make sense. The document shows everything in pixels, but the project brief asks for millimeters or inches. That mismatch can get confusing fast. Let's find it by changing the units of measurement in Affinity Free. Start with your document, open. At the top of the screen, look for the document menu. Open it and select Document Setup. A new window appears. This is where Affinity stores all the basic settings for your file. Near the top, you will see an option called Document Units. These small settings control how every size and position in your document is measured. Click the drop-down menu beside it. You will see choices like pixels, inches, millimeters, centimeters, even yards or feet. If the design is meant for print, millimeters or inches are the best choices. For anything digital, pixels are usually easier to work with. Choose the one that suits your project, then press OK to confirm. Back on the workspace, look at the transfer panel on the right. The width, height, X and Y values now shows the unit you selected. If you switch to millimeters, everything updates instantly. The rulers across the top and left side of your canvas also adjust, so you can judge scale more accurately while working. There is another quick way to open the same settings. When no objects are selected, check the contextual toolbar above your canvas. A small document setup button appears there too. Click it and you will jump straight back into the same settings box. That's handy when you need to check or change your units mid-project. Now, something that often confuses beginners is the stroke measurement. Even after switching the document to millimeters or pixels, the stroke width still shows in points. That's because strokes follow a traditional print measurement system, and Affinity keeps that consistent. But there is a trick. Type any value followed by its unit directly into the box, like 5 millimeters or 300 pixels. Press enter and Affinity instantly converts that number into its equivalent point value. It works in reverse too. You can type 20 points even if your document is in millimeters, and Affinity will handle the math. So, the best approach is simple. Set your main document units to whatever you use most often, then type specific values in other units whenever needed. Affinity Free is smart enough to convert between them automatically. Once you get used to this flexibility, switching between print and digital layout becomes effortless. There is no need to start over or recalculate measurements. Just adjust the units and continue designing. That's how to take control of measurement units in Affinity Free. It's small change that saves a lot of frustration later. After seeing it once, your projects stay consistent, accurate, and ready for whatever medium you are designing for.